Hey, hi guys, this is Vamsi Reddy. I'm back with another video. Today video we are going to discuss about some career guidance. So many people are confusing about deciding of their career after completing their graduate or are going on their graduate. Which career is best? Which way is the best to learn? Where we have find best way? How can we get a best salaries? So many confusion things. I like facing so many people. So it is better to move on the front end. It is better to move on the back end, data science, anything. So many things have confusing people. For that case only, I have started this career section for all who are in confusion. Okay. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about front-end developer. How to become a front-end developer? What are the roles of the front-end developer? What are the skills are required for the front-end developer? How much salary for the front-end developer, and where we want to find the jobs. At first, we want to know that our main aim is to get a job as a developer. Anything. If you choose a front-end, or if you choose a back-end, if you choose a Python developer, if you choose data scientist, data engineering, data analyst, machine learning engineering, like it, so many things. Overall, and finally, we want to get a best job and with the best salary. It is our main aim. So for that case only I have started this career guidance videos. Please make follow up to watch up to the end. You can get clearly understand about the each and every technology. Okay, now let's start. At first I am going to discuss about what is mean by what is mean by the front-end developer. Who can be the front-end developer? A front-end developer is designing a part of websites. They can use user scene, and the front-end developer will return the designing created with a web design into the functionality user interface. Basically, it's simply we can say that front-end developer can create web pages. For we can see so many web pages like we have a Facebook now. There is a web pages we can see. Like that, so many websites have web pages. These are all designed by the front-end developer for attracting of users. The main aim is to attract the users. How the users will be attracted, we want to design like that. That is the main thing of the front-end developer. And the next one is what are the roles of the front-end developer? What are the roles they can make, they can take? This is the main thing. Okay, the roles of the front-end developer is they want to design the web pages. Develop the features of the web pages for attracting the people, so for attracting the users who can be concentrated on their website, and they want to test their websites can work in smartphones. It is possible to work on smartphones, and they want to design. They want to create a reusable code, because in future so many people are building develop that websites. So they want that code. For that case, they have used the reusable code, and they want to build optimizing websites for the best speed and scalability. These are the main 5 roles who can work as the roles of the web development. Front-end developer is also known as web development. Okay, the roles is the main thing. And the next one is how to become a front-end developer. Up to now, we have seen what is mean by front-end developer, what are the roles can taken by the front-end developer, and now our main thing is start from here. How to become how do we want to be a front-end developer? That is the main thing. So that case, I have list out some points to become a front-end developer, like learn the programming language by your own self, do freelancing. Learning of programming language is mainly as so many languages as there. Choose the best languages for which is supported for the front-end developer. You want to prepare for front-end developer language. It is very useful to develop the front-end developer language. There is a lot of things I will explain later. Okay, and the second point is do freelancing works. By doing this freelancing works, it is help to improve your experience, working power, speeding of work, how much you can create, how can you think in different ways. These are all helped by the freelancing doing works. And the next third point is participate in open source projects. So many people are giving the open source projects. Try to participate in that projects and try to learn more things. How can we design the web development, how can we design the web pages, how can we attract the users. These are all the main things. So you want to participate all the open source projects. And the fourth point is don't stop building the things. This is the main thing. Don't stop the building the things. If you design one or two web pages, don't stop up to there. You want to build another thing. Think very efficiently. Think more and more, and creativity. Use your creativity to develop to design the web pages in different way. Don't use the copy paste methods, because it is a very bad to say. You want to use the different methods. They can you want to think creativity, design the different methods, use the different type of skills. You want to use different things to develop the web pages. And the fifth point is do as much as projects. Take over the projects and do your own projects, and do many more projects by your own self. Think yourself as doing a project, and don't depend upon too much on the Google. Think and create yourself to do best projects and best things as yourself. Try to do as many as possible, so many projects, and use that projects. You can help you to improve your knowledge and experience to develop more and more projects. Okay. And the sixth point is upload that in your GitHub or LinkedIn. This is the main point. You want to showcase your skills. You want to show your skills to recruiters. For that case, you want to keep that projects which you have done is a small or big is not a point. You want to keep that show for all the recruiters. So that case only you can use LinkedIn or in GitHub. It is a main. These are the main things to show our project skills. So use that two things. You can get more. If your recruiters or some recruiters have seen your profile, they can like and they can call you to get a job, to give a job. Okay. Okay. Please show your projects on these two sites like LinkedIn or GitHub. And the seventh point is update your resume. If you do one project, if even in your resume you have kept an old project, please update your resume, update your skills, update your time, additional activities like that. You want to update yourself. So many things you want to upload more and more. Update your resume. And finally, eighth point, it is build portfolio. Portfolio is nowadays most popular thing. Please develop your portfolio, which is help to the recruiters. What have you done? What are the skills you have? Background. What is your background? Where you are from? Overall, this come under the portfolio. You want to build a portfolio by your own self and keep show that for everyone. Post in social media, post on LinkedIn, ID, GitHub, anywhere. Try to build your portfolio and keep your resume also. It's help to you a lot to get a job from the recruiters and from many companies. Okay. And the next step is skill. What are the skills? How to become we have now seen how to become a front-end developer. And now what are the skills are required to become a front-end developer? The major is the skills are to become a front-end developer is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and framework of libraries of AngularJS and React.js. Browsing. What is browsing? When you talk about the browsing, it will help to you to browse the different projects. You want, once you have created a code and you want to use in that code, you want to see the visibility, how our code is working, how I have write the web page. For all this we want to use the browser. So that case, this is one of the skill you want to know about the browser. Okay. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they are the main three things to learn about the front-end developer. Okay. And the next step is how much salary can front-end developer get. These are the main topic about salary, discussing about the salaries. Okay. According to the pay scale, the average front-end developer salary is in India around 4,87,000 per annum. In India, there is a 4,87,000 per annum. It is in India. When we compare to the monthly, we get nearly 40,000 per monthly. Okay, and nowadays if you have some experience, if you have 2 years or 3 years experience, you can get increase your hike your salaries, and you can increase it up to 12 lakhs per annum. That is depend upon your skills, and that is most upon depend upon the skills. Okay, try to develop your skills, build your skills to get a more salary per annum. Okay, I hope up to now you have all understand about this, and finally, where to find jobs. It is the most important, where to find the jobs. Up to now we have all learned about the all the skills we have a ability to do a front end developer works. We have done so many projects. Now the main aim is to get a job. These are the main aim. So for that case, we want to use some sites. There is a lot of sites which has seeks for jobs, like example of LinkedIn is nowadays famous thing to get a jobs. We have seen the jobs posted by the LinkedIn and Glassdoor. So many sites is there, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, extra, and one more thing, so many job sites, in Ueka. There is a lot of the Ueka, so many things. Try to update your profile in that sites, and show your projects and show your abilities to the recruiters, and finally you can get a job easily. Okay, after getting the job, you want to do the work by your love. Don't you do I don't like this work, I don't want to get this company. Don't think like that. Okay, love your work, and do as possible as best in your works. At the time only you can develop yourself. Experience is most important, because when you experience, when you a person is experienced, he can have a chances of getting a hike of salaries, and he have chances to get creativity thinking, more creativity thinking, and develop a more websites, so many projects. It is all the given it. These are all necessary for the developers. Developers is not a simple task. Every day we want to update it. Every day we want to update it. Every day we want to learn new things. Try to love your work. There is a main thing I want to say for you, that I hope you are all understand about this front end developer. What is a front end developer? How can front end developer work? What are the roles and salaries, and where do we find the jobs? These are the main things I have shown you. That if you have any doubts about these things, you want to learn, please comment and comment box. I will explain each and everything. All the content I have write down in my medium. Okay, you have go through there and learn from there. The link is in the description. Okay. I hope you have understand about this thing. Okay friends, bye. Make sure like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates about the data science and career and guidance interview preparations. Please like, subscribe, and follow to our YouTube channel. Bye friends, all the best.